Welcome to the Brain Decoded, where we unravel the mysteries of the mind. Today, we're diving into the fundamental units that make your brain so extraordinary. Have you ever wondered how your brain performs such incredible feats? From remembering your first pet to solving complex equations, it all starts with the tiny yet powerful cells within. Imagine a supercomputer, processing billions of calculations per second, adapting to new information, and even learning from experience. Now imagine that supercomputer is biological. This incredible biological supercomputer is your brain, and its fundamental building blocks are called neurons. These specialized cells are the workhorses of your nervous system, transmitting information throughout your body. To understand how neurons work, let's first explore their unique structure. Each neuron is a complex little machine designed for transmitting signals. A typical neuron consists of several key parts: the dendrites, the cell body, the axon, and the axon terminals. Think of them as different components of a highly efficient communication system. Dendrites are like antennas, receiving signals from other neurons. The cell body, or soma, processes these signals. The axon is a long cable that transmits the signal away from the cell body. And finally, axon terminals are the output hubs, passing the signal to the next neuron. Now for the magic. How do these individual neurons talk to each other to create all your thoughts, feelings, and actions? It's a fascinating dance of electrical and chemical signals. Communication begins with an electrical impulse, called an action potential, which travels down the axon. This is like a tiny electrical spark, moving rapidly through the neuron. When the electrical signal reaches the axon terminal, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These chemicals cross a tiny gap called the synapse to the next neuron, either exciting or inhibiting it. This is how information flows from one neuron to the next, creating complex circuits. While all neurons share a basic structure, they aren't all the same. There are different types of neurons, each specialized for a particular role in your nervous system. The main types include sensory neurons, which bring information from your senses to the brain, motor neurons, which carry commands from your brain to your muscles, and interneurons, which connect other neurons within the brain and spinal cord, acting as crucial intermediaries. Sensory neurons allow you to feel a touch or see a color. Motor neurons enable you to move your hand. Interneurons are the complex connectors, facilitating intricate brain functions like decision-making and memory. It's not just individual neurons, but how they connect and form vast networks. That gives the brain its incredible power. These networks are constantly forming and reforming. Imagine billions of these communication units working together, creating intricate pathways for information. This complex neural network is what allows for everything from simple reflexes to abstract thought, consciousness, and creativity. The brain's ability to reorganize and adapt its neural networks in response to experience is called brain plasticity. This is the biological basis of learning and memory. Every new skill you learn, every new memory you form, involves changes in these neural connections. So the next time you think, feel, or move, remember the amazing microscopic world of neurons at work. These tiny building blocks are the foundation of all your thoughts, emotions, and actions. They are the true architects of your mind, tirelessly working to create the incredible experience of being you. We hope this deep dive into neurons has decoded a bit more about your amazing brain. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Brain Decoded for more fascinating insights into the human mind.